we were planning on taking the train from Kandy to Ella because it's like world famous. It's one of the most beautiful train rides in the world. In typical Meg and Mike fashion, we did not book tickets ahead of time, and we got to Sri Lanka and everyone was like, oh my god, you don't have your tickets? So we got to the train station today and we weren't able to get reserved seats, but we were able to get unreserved seats in second class. So we thought we were gonna have to get third class, but second class is good, that's what we wanted. We just don't actually have seats on this train, so we're hoping we're not gonna be standing for 7 hours. So we are going to run on this train when it gets here and hopefully get some seats. I'm really nervous though.
We got our samosas, we got our vegetable rolls, and we got Meg's favorite cookies. We're ready for this 7-hour train ride from Kandy to Ella.
If you've ever had Nilla's, they're, I don't know, I feel like they're in like every grandparent's house. Those cookies taste just like Nilla's, but better. There was no room on the car, so we're standing in the doorway.
Two and a half hours of standing, and we finally got one seat.
We were sitting in our seat for like maybe 5 minutes, and then we realized that the best seat
Is the door. In this town, and I already love it. So we arrived in Ella late last night after our 7-hour train ride, and when we arrived, we were just bombarded by tuk-tuk drivers wanting to take us to our homestay. After a bunch of them tried to rip us off a bunch, 4 times the market price, I decided to be excessively cheap, and instead of taking a $4 tuk-tuk ride, we walked the 3 kilometers to our homestay as the sun was setting. We had to walk down this path in the middle of the night, and we had just come from a little bit of a shortcut Megan decided to take us on halfway through, where we were walking through the dense jungle in the pitch black, where we were extremely nervous because the path was really, really narrow. Eventually we got to this path, and turns out it's actually in the middle of a beautiful tea plantation that we can see today in the daylight, and nothing at all to be nervous about. our way to Lipton's Seat, and I think we're a little bit lost, but we're just driving through a tea plantation in the middle of the clouds just after the rain, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Not mad at all about being lost this time.
We got to Lipton's Seat too late, but there's a festival and we were invited to observe it. So I guess we're gonna hang out here for a while. We have stayed at a tea plantation, we have walked through them, and we have ridden through them. And today we're really excited because we are about to go do a tea factory tour.
Then the leaf goes on a conveyor. Then you put it on again. Yeah. Right.
Living on the edge.
You better get on this train.
My flip-flop falls off that side. Of course you get that